Hey everyone, it's Patrice and you are watching Patrice So Blessed. Today I am making a omelet for I guess lunch at this point, but I had a craving for an omelet, so I'm gonna make a veggie omelet and you guys could just sit and watch me make it. Of course it's healthy, it has veggies in it and of course protein from the eggs and enjoy. Okay, so I added tomatoes right here. I am cutting them down. I wanted them to be really small because it's going on an omelet. So I added this, and here, with tomatoes, there's lycopene. So, and it's an antioxidant called lycopene, so it helps prevent heart disease and cancer. Then you got your purple onion, which supports immune health and regulates blood sugar, but it's a good source of fiber. And folic acid has a B vitamins, which help the body. It helps the body create new healthy cells, and it also contains sulfur. We also got the green onions, which are anti-inflammatory, and it contains quercetin, which is a phytonutrient that prevents cancer. Here I'm just mixing the egg. I'm showing you how I whip it. I put a little butter in mine. I'm sorry, I love the flavor. Then I'm showing you how I kind of spread the egg around. And once I feel like it's cooked enough, I'll put the veggies in. The veggies that are protecting our bodies, of course, in the egg. And then after this part, I chopped them all up pretty as fine as I could, or as fine as I was going to. And here I'm folding it, which I'm always bad at folding omelets. I don't know why, but this time was a lot better for you guys. So I'm so happy that worked out. Here I'm just finishing up, trying to cook the rest of the middle as much as I can right here, just to finish it off. And here we go. This is the finished product. Just a little cilantro added to the top. And so this is how I eat my omelets. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay blessed and see you next time.